Release. Chris. Release. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Alright. Yeah, let's go back. Yes. Down. High five. Yes. Give me the other one. Speak. 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 Stand. Go back. Sit. Down. And roll. Roll. Yes. Bow. Thank you, boss. Get down. Get down. Sit. Sit. Down. Down properly. No, down. Down properly. The outside is hot. My name is Oscar Regent Amosis. Into this project called, let's say, getting to 3 years. Dogs, in dogs particular, it depends on how you handle them.
Okay.
If you love dogs, as for me, I started training dogs, or I have my first dog the time I was 7 years.
Okay.
To date. So as at now, I have about 16 dogs.
Wow.
Which is local ones. So my dream is, since the year 2014, my dream is, if I complete school, I have to start training dogs. I don't know how comes it happens that I see myself here. It's true. We have maximum training time. Some dogs, they are smart, especially these ones. We have Belgian Shepherd, which is also called Malinois. We have German Shepherd. We have Swiss Shepherd. It depends on your dog. Some dogs take like 3 months, which is our maximum training time. Some of them take like 2 months, they will be perfect. Others take like 5 months to be perfect. We have treats. Some dog likes egg. Some of them like chicken. Some of them like other sort of things. Like this one, he likes treats, like what I'm holding. Okay. Treats. He likes it, you see.
Okay.
So if your dog does something good, you have to reward him by giving him this. So the next time you say that, she will do it perfectly.
Okay. Hello, you want more treats?
Paris, no. Yes. Get down. Get down. Sit. No, sit. No. You see, he's looking forward for the treat.
Yes. Wow. Wow.
Down. No, down.
Wow.
It's not a magic. Some dogs, they will tell you what to do, or their interest of doing something. These dogs particular, we don't know that they can walk with 2 legs. But whenever we enter this room, they will stand with 2 legs and be walking. And a thought came to us that, no, they are telling us something. So we started like holding their hand like this, walking with them, little by little.
Okay.
Then we change the hand. Gradually, they take it from there.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, you know what it is, man. It's of course Joe to the P to the A to the S to the A to the A to the S to the A. Make it again. Now, what I have right now is a beautiful dog, and the name is Nairobi. Nairobi, very beautiful, of course. And I happen to have gotten this opportunity to see a man who actually talk to dogs, and then they respond in that manner. Now, these dogs can actually walk by just a simple command, Masa. Just a simple command. It's actually my first time of seeing this, and it's interesting. Beautiful dogs. So let's take a look at something. Nairobi, get down, get down, get down.
Yes. Oh. Come. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give it up. Give it up. Don't get up. Give it up. Oh. Give it up. Give it up. Let's come. Wow. It happens that this is the the queen over here. Yes, she's stronger than all of the dogs here, even though she's the smallest.
This one?
Yes.
Hey, Nairobi. How old is she?
This dog is 18 months. 18 months.
Look at the way they are looking at it.
Yes. This is my favorite dog.
Which one?
The Shih Tzu. She likes me. If I lie down around her, she'll come and climb me.
Hey.
Charlie. Charlie. Charlie, come. Charlie, come. Charlie, come. Come. Up. Come. You see? He's scared of this one. Nairobi inside.
Come down.
Nairobi inside.
Come. Inside 2 or 4.
Inside. Yes, please. Inside. Hi. Inside. Beauty, come. Hey. No.
That's the no shoe.
Yes. Down. High five. Yes. Give me the other one. Speak. 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 Stand. Go back. Sit. Down. And roll. Roll. Yes. Bow. Sit pretty. Pretty. No. Get down. Don't walk with 2 legs. Sit. This one is now learning how to walk with 2 legs.
Okay.
Sit pretty. Stay. Yeah. Okay, down. Down. No, sit. Down. Stay down. Yes. No. Chris. Release. Chris. Release. Yes. Off. Yes. Good girl. Off. Don't do it. Yes. It's okay. Naru. It's friendly. Naru, come. This one is called Shih Tzu. That's the breed. Come. Sit. Yes. No, Naru, no. Sit. Down. Charlie, down. No, down. No, Naru, inside. Go inside.
Go.
You go. Naru, inside.
Wow.
Because she's starting to. Hey, Charlie, come. Down. And roll. Yes, roll. This is the senior student we have in the Belgian Sheffield.
He's very wide.
No. Very
He can't come.
You can see we won so many awards. That one is English. These are some of our students. They pass and got.
Oh, they have graduated.
Yes.
Wow.
But still, we are still working on some vision freeze. Arrow. Very good. This one is now learning how to walk with 2 legs. You see, this is how it starts.
My goodness. And then you give it a treat after it's actually does it
Yes.
for you.
Yes. Okay, stay. Yes. No, you're holding on.
Wow.
This dog is very romantic. Up. Yes. We'll start like this. Gradually. You pick it up. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. And they don't need much training this thing. If you train them for 20 to 30 minutes, it's okay.
Okay.
Or more than that, they will get exhausted or they will take it as a play.
Okay.
Yeah. Cheddar style.
Share tiger. He's the one.
Let's go. Alright. Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back. Look forward.
Okay.
Breed can walk with 2 legs, 3 of this, which is this breed especially is called Japanese Spitz
Okay.
or Eskimos, Japanese Eskimos. Company's name is Tionisam Dogs World. We do dogs training, dog salon, veterinary service, sales of puppies, sale of dog food and like accessories, consultation on dogs, and many more. Okay, our location is GH Media, Ajmota GH Media School, or before GH Media School. And you can contact us on 024 444 1491. 024 444 1491. Tionisam Dogs World, your satisfaction, our priority. Okay. Paris.